In the realm of human creativity, few endeavors match the power and beauty of painting. It is an art form that has captured imaginations for centuries, a dance of color and texture that brings to life the world as the artist sees it. Painting is a journey, a process, a story told in brush strokes. The genesis of a painting begins with a spark, an idea. This idea might be a fleeting moment, a cherished memory, or a vision of something yet unseen. The artist's first task is to capture this ephemeral spark and translate it into a tangible form. This is often done through initial sketches, rough outlines that serve as the blueprint for the final work. Once the idea has taken shape, the artist moves on to the next stage, preparation. This involves selecting the right canvas, mixing the perfect shades of paint, and choosing the ideal brushes. Each decision made during this stage has a profound impact on the final product. The size and texture of the canvas can dramatically alter the feel of a painting, while the hue and consistency of the paint can set the mood and tone of the piece. With the groundwork laid, the artist then commences the actual act of painting. The brush touches the canvas, and the world of the painting begins to unfold. The artist's hand moves in rhythm with their vision, each stroke adding another layer to the story. This is where the magic happens, where the raw materials of canvas, paint, and brush become something more, something alive. The painting process is a dance of addition and subtraction. The artist adds color and texture, builds up layers, and then steps back, evaluates, and makes adjustments. They might remove elements, change colors, or add new details. This iterative process continues until the artist feels that the painting has reached its final form. The culmination of this journey is a moment of revelation. The painting is complete, a testament to the artist's vision and skill. It stands as a reflection of the artist's inner world, a snapshot of their thoughts and emotions. Whether it brings joy, provokes thought, or stirs up emotions, the painting has achieved its purpose: to communicate, to express, to touch the hearts and minds of those who view it. In summary, the painting process is a journey of creation. It starts with an idea, moves through stages of preparation and execution, and ends with a unique work of art that speaks to the viewer. It's a dance of color and texture, a story told in brush strokes, a testament to the power and beauty of human